Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Jerry here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Now the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income, which is absolutely insane and fantastic. You get paid 80% every single month. If you're an affiliate marketer, you understand how fantastic that is. Alright. So anyway guys, you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, I'm going to look at our results here. It looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page to make sure you guys understand it. These are real results and everything. This is money that is going into my bank account, so on and so forth. Not trying to trick you. Alright, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not a big deal. Now the first thing we need to do is get you your affiliate links, guys. And before I show you how to do that, I'm gonna show you the link that I personally use. I like to use this link here in particular because it promotes 3 products. Alright guys, promotes 3 products. I'll tell them about them later, but this is the one I use. So to get your links, guys, all you got to do is go to my description there. You're going to see a link that says like incomespeaks.com or something like that for step 1. Click on it. It's going to take you to this page here. Now what this page is basically the sales letter for the $25 business. It talks about what it is, how much money you can make, what it does, blah blah blah, right? Ultimately, the $25 business is a funnel builder. Now what is a funnel builder is basically a couple of pages to get you to buy something, a couple of website pages to get you to buy something. All right. Long story short, and if you use funnel builders before, you understand that like ClickFunnels, the most popular funnel builder out there, is over $100 for its beginner starting part package, 20 funnels, something like that. Over $100. This right here is unlimited funnels and all that for $25, which is crazy and a very good deal for guys who make funnels. And it's pretty simple to use as well. You got all the same features and stuff. So anyway, now how much money you can make with the $25 business? Now you can make up to $20 to $100 monthly commission, guys. That's a high ticket sale as well, but you can make $20 to $100 monthly commissions, which is $120, guys. You can make $120 every month off of this product. Fantastic. There's also a high ticket commission that can be either you could make either $800 off of or $400 off of, depending on when the person spends the money. Alright, so if you're interested in following along with this, guys, also there's they give a charity before I move on. They give a charity as well if you're interested in that. So if you're interested in following along, all you need to do, click on yes I want in once you decide you want to try this out, right? And basically you just get to the page, you put in your information to get the product, you know what I mean? And one thing I want to show you guys is the HBA premium that you get for 14 days for free when you use my link. So you can try it out. Basically, it's training on how to get sales and stuff, and whatever it is you like to do. Facebook ad groups, YouTube, podcasts, blogging, LinkedIn, solo ads, TikTok, whatever it may be working. Whatever's working, right? And it's constantly updated, so some stuff might disappear while other stuff might get added onto it based on if it's working or not. Sometimes rules change on certain websites, like for example TikTok. It was a lot easier to get viral on TikTok back in the day than it is now, so some steps had to change based on the new rules they got set up, you know what I mean? And also you have an AI content creation machine that you can use to help you promote product on Instagram or whatever, make posts and stuff like that. It's absolutely fantastic, guys, and I just think it's just a fantastic deal. Now the best part about this product is that even though you're getting a 14-day free test drive, if you get a sale with this product here, you will keep that $100 even though you don't technically own the product. Absolutely fantastic. All right, guys. So that's all there is to that, right? Now, the method I'm gonna show you how to promote this product is the absolute easiest way I have found to promote a product, period, guys. It just works. And it's simple, very simple method, and it works perfect for this product. So what you want to do is click on my second link there, step 2 or whatever it may say, and it's going to say something like My Lead Gen Secrets. You click on that link, it's going to take you to a page like now. This is, like I stated before, My Lead Gen Secrets, and what My Lead Gen Secrets is all about is it gives you 100 leads you can email once per day. So it slowly stacks up to a ton of leads. And the thing is though, the leads are cold, but you will while the leads are cold, you will get constant we'll email them constantly and eventually get sales from them. So that's how you get sales stuff. So we're gonna select all here, select all our leads here. Don't worry, then we're just gonna pick a link that works really well. I think this works really well. I've gotten sales from this spot. So we're gonna use this email. I wrote this one myself, but we're gonna use it real quick, and we're gonna kind of keep it going here. This is one I wrote myself, not ChatGPT, but I'm gonna use it as a starter on how to write an email here real quick. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to ChatGPT. This is what I'm gonna do, guys. Like that. Then we're gonna put in subject. And we're just gonna take the email that I wrote myself, copy that, ChatGPT here. Boom. Like that, right? Then we're gonna put body. I'm gonna put in body. Copy the body here. Put that in. And what it should do is write an email summary. As you can see, that's a little long on the long end, so alright, so this looks pretty cool. So this looks a lot better, a lot shorter. So we're gonna just use that. Okay. Link. Didn't think about it too. I gotta copy this. Something like that. Oh, instead of pin first name. Oh, that. Thanks a lot. That looks pretty good. Pretty good. Get rid of it. Boom. And that's your email there. Very short, as you can see. Very easy, very quick. Boom, boom, boom. Very simple. I'm gonna do basic. Sometimes it can have a hiccup, where if you don't base it like this, it'll say some kind of error because it's not popped into the right spot. I don't know why, but they'll fix that. But I just did. If you have that issue, that's how you fix it. But anyway, this is the email we're gonna go with. As you can see, ChatGPT wrote it completely for us. And it's a very short email. What you want a super short one, very clickbaity title. Those work the best. And we're gonna hit perfect timing. What that does, send an email around time people check emails. And we're gonna hit preview. And as you can see, this is the email here. Looks really solid. Like it a lot. And yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. But I don't like. I think that might look. Just got the idea off the mic. I don't know if it look better. Anyway, you can copy it like that, guys. As you can see, that's the reason why you want to hit preview. You want to make sure the link works. Also, you guys can copy the email if you want to copy the email. I don't got no problem copying it. Just pause the video, you can copy it. That's all there is to it, guys. We're gonna send an email and we're done, guys. Simple. And you do this every morning. And once you get a ton of emails like I got, you don't even need to do what I just did there. You could just pick an email, send it, boom, done. The reason I show you that, guys, though, is to show you how to make emails well with ChatGPT. Make it work well. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Now, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.